Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could revolutionize the way gaming videos are made? Imagine creating stunning, professional-grade gaming content without ever picking up a controller. Well, today, we're diving into the world where AI meets creativity and exploring how you can make jaw-dropping gaming videos with the help of cutting-edge technology. What if I told you that some of the most successful gaming channels are already leveraging AI to skyrocket their growth and earnings? Let's talk numbers for a moment. Gaming content on YouTube generates billions of views every month, with top creators earning thousands, even millions of dollars. But here's the twist. You don't need to be a pro gamer or video editing expert to join this lucrative trend. With the help of AI tools, creating content can be faster, easier, and more efficient than ever. Intrigued? Stick around as we unpack the secrets of AI-powered gaming videos, reveal a channel that's mastered this craft, and guide you step by step to start your journey. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create gaming videos that captivate audiences and bring in real revenue, all while letting AI do the heavy lifting. Ready to unlock the future of content creation? Let's jump in. Meet AI, a YouTube channel that's redefining gaming content creation. This channel, launched just 3 months ago, has already made waves in the YouTube community. With a total of 14 long-form videos and 8 shorts, AI has amassed over 20,000 subscribers in record time. But what's truly remarkable is their first few uploads, some of which have racked up an impressive 464,000 views. How did they achieve such a feat? The secret lies in their entirely AI-driven content production. Every video on AI is crafted using advanced AI tools, from video scripting to visual generation. This innovative approach not only saves time, but also ensures top-notch quality that keeps viewers coming back for more. Their unique style blends engaging storytelling with eye-catching AI-generated visuals, making their content stand out in the crowded gaming niche. The rapid growth of their subscriber base proves that AI-powered content is not just a trend, but a game-changer in the YouTube space. What makes AI even more inspiring is how accessible their process is. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can replicate their success. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, their journey serves as a blueprint for tapping into AI's potential to create compelling, high-performing videos. Stick around and we'll show you how it's done. If you're as excited as we are to learn how to make incredible gaming videos using AI, don't miss out on the rest of this tutorial. Hit that like button to support the channel, and make sure you subscribe for more tips, tricks, and insider secrets. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Launch the app. Head over to Leonardo.ai and log into your account. The homepage greets you with a sleek, user-friendly interface designed to make creativity effortless. Everything you need to get started is just a few clicks away. Step 2. Image creation. Once inside, navigate to the Image Creation section. This is where the magic happens. With tools neatly organized on the left, you'll have access to a host of features that make generating stunning visuals a breeze. From brushes to filters, the possibilities are endless. Step 3. Writing the perfect prompt. Crafting a compelling prompt is key to creating images that align with your vision. Don't worry if you're unsure where to start. ChatGPT is an excellent resource for generating prompt ideas tailored to your needs. A well-written prompt guides the AI to produce exactly what you have in mind. Step 4. Adjusting settings. Use the tools on the left panel to fine-tune your image. You can tweak parameters like brightness, contrast, and saturation to get the perfect look. Experimentation is the name of the game here. Step 5. Model and style settings. Scroll down to the prompt bar. This is where you'll set the artistic style, model, and elements for your image. Whether you're aiming for realism or a cartoonish vibe, these settings ensure your visual matches your creative vision. Step 6. Generate the image. Finally, hit the Generate button and let the AI work its magic. Within seconds, you'll have a custom image ready to use in your gaming video. Easy, right? Once your image is ready, it's time to turn it into a video. Upload your image to Hailuo.ai, a platform designed for seamless video creation. Start by selecting the Upload Image option. The site's intuitive layout ensures a smooth workflow, even for beginners. Crafting the perfect prompt is crucial here. Hailuo.ai features an educational section with tips and examples to help you write better prompts. Take advantage of this resource to ensure your video aligns perfectly with your vision. Adjust the animation style, transitions, and effects to bring your image to life. With every tweak, you're one step closer to an engaging final product. Editing is where your video truly comes together. Open CapCut and import your video file. In the timeline, arrange your clips and images in the desired sequence. Next, add transitions to ensure smooth flow between scenes. CapCut offers a variety of effects to elevate your video's production value. Fine-tune the audio, whether it's background music or narration, make sure the sound complements your visuals. Use the text tool to include captions or on-screen prompts. Finally, export your video in high resolution to ensure it looks professional when uploaded to YouTube. And that's a wrap! Today, we explored how to create gaming videos using AI, from generating stunning visuals on Leonardo.ai to animating them on Hailuo.ai and polishing the final product in CapCut. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Gaming videos made with AI aren't just a creative endeavor, they're a lucrative opportunity. Channels like AI and I have proven that with the right tools and strategy, you can achieve incredible success. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's create something amazing together. See you in the next one.